Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating clipped sections. Open the timeline, solo the track, and inspect the waveform and meters. Red peaks mean distortion. Once done, duplicate the audio track so you always have the original to revert to. Next, apply clip gain or audio gain and reduce by 3 to 6 dB. Normalize to about -3 dB if peaks jump, because lowering level removes digital clipping without altering timing. Make sure to listen to confirm artifact reduction before moving on. Now repair the damaged audio by applying targeted effects. Add a declipper or the de-esser plugin to reduce harsh upper harmonics, and use a multi-band compressor to control only the offending band while preserving overall tone. Then run adaptive noise reduction or open the spectral frequency display for surgical fixes on clicks and zap-like artifacts. Once those are cleaner, automate gain with keyframes. Tiny volume rides can mask residual distortion without flattening the performance. Finish by applying gentle limiting and a light master EQ to glue the repaired audio, then export a high-quality reference file at 48 kHz, 24-bit to confirm playback across systems. If you still hear distortion, reopen the clipped section and test a dedicated standalone declipper, or consider re-recording the source because some clipping is irreversible. Finally, save the session with labeled presets and keep the original file backed up. This workflow prevents accidental overwrites and makes further troubleshooting straightforward if problems resurface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.